Hello friends, welcome back to Math Time with Mrs. Idas. Today we're going to be doing lessons 13-6 and 13-7. And these are really great because we have been practicing graphing all year. And did you know that when we've been practicing graphing, we've been practicing sorting by attributes? Well, we have, surprise! So let's go ahead and take a look at some real graphs, okay? Here we have some shapes. Let's get two colors. I see two different shapes. I see triangles. I'm gonna trace the triangles with a color. You can choose any color you like. All right, I'm gonna use this dark indigo blue. And I see some circles. So I'm gonna use this nice orange for the circles. And look, we have a little pattern up here. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So I need to sort them and put them in a graph. So here we'll be graphing triangles by sorting shapes. And down below will be graphing circles by sorting the shape. So how many triangles do we have up here? Three triangles. So we need to fill in the graph with 3 triangles. Go ahead and trace those triangles. Up here, we also see 2 circles in this group. So we will graph 2 circles all together. Great job. We've done lots of graphs very similar to this on some of our practice pages and on our jelly bean day and candy hearts. We've done all kinds, haven't we? Okay, let's continue taking a look over here at these triangles and circles ideas. Let's go ahead and draw our own and graph them, okay? So I'm going to use the same color. I'm going to trace these shapes, all right? And I'm going to just draw for us some triangles and some circles, and then we'll graph them, okay? So I'm going to draw some triangles very quickly, and I'm going to draw some circles. How many little triangles did I draw? 4. And how many little circles did I draw? 3. So if I have 4 little triangles, how many will go on my graph? 4. That's right. Make them little. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I drew 3 little circles, 1, 2, 3 little circles go on my graph as well. Good job. Let's try it again. I'm going to draw a different group of triangles and circles. Okay, there's some triangles. And here are some circles. How many little triangles did I draw? 2. 1, 2 go in the graph. And how many little circles did I draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, friends. Let's go ahead and label our graphs, okay? Let's come here at the top. How many triangles were in this graph? 3. And how many circles? 2. Did we have more triangles or more circles in this graph? Triangles, great. All right, let's take a look. Triangles and circles. How many triangles did I have up here? 4. And how many circles did I have in this part of the graph? 3. Wow, which shape was the fewest or the least amount? The circles with 3. All right, how many triangles here? 2. And how many circles? 5. Did we have more triangles or more circles this time? Circles. Great job. All right, let's turn the page. More real graphs and more sorting. Oh boy. Okay, let's pick 2 different colors. I think I'll use a purple and a yellow. All right. My darker circles are going to be purple, so I'm going to go ahead and trace them. You can trace the darker circles with the color that you chose. Okay. And then my lighter circles, I'm going to use yellow. So I'll go ahead and trace those as well. I can even trace the circles here in the key. All right, let's sort. How many purple circles do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many circles will I color starting from the bottom, going up? 5. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. How many yellow circles do I have here in this group? 4. That's right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good graphing. All right, let's do the same with this picture down here. All right, I see I have 2 purple circles and I have 3 yellow circles. So now I need to graph them. If I have 2 purple circles in this group, starting from the bottom, I'm going to graph 2 circles in the box. 2, 2. If I have 3 yellow circles in the group, then I need to color 3 yellow circles in the graph. 3, 3. Good job, friends. Let's keep graphing with picture graphs. Oh my goodness. Apples and pears. That makes me think of red and yellow. All right, let's take a look in 13-7 at this little dish. How many apples are on the dish? How many apples are on the dish? 4 apples. So I only can color 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another apple here. Can I color it? No, because I only have 4 apples on the dish. All right, let's color the pears. How many pears are on the dish? 3. 1, 2, 3. But there are more pears in the graph. Can I color them? No, I cannot, because there are only 3 pears on the dish. Our graph has to match the picture, and the picture has to be represented on the graph. All right, friends? Good. All right, let's keep our yellow and find purple, because we have bananas and plums. Let's color the bananas yellow. All right. How many bananas do we have? 1, 2, 3. So I can only color 3 bananas. Oops, I think I pushed too hard on my yellow. That's okay. And how many plums are here on the dish? 1 plum. So only 1 in the graph. Great job. Now let's see. It looks like I have some oranges and cherries here. So I need my red and my orange. All right, how many oranges are on the dish? 1, 2. So only 2 in the graph. 1, 2. How many cherries are on the dish? 1, 2, 3. So in the graph, I can color 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Oh my goodness, it looks here that maybe I have a grapefruit. I'll get yellow. And a peach, I'll get orange. Okay, so we have 1 big grapefruit, so only 1 in the graph. And we have 4 peaches on the dish. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in the graph. Let's now talk about our picture graphs, okay? Let's count them all in each graph column and circle the fruit that shows more, okay? So here in this example of our apples and pears, we had more apples. There were 4 apples and only 3 pears. Let's take a look at bananas and plums. Which fruit had more on the dish and more in the graph? The banana. That's right. Okay, let's take a look at the oranges and cherries. On this dish and in this graph, which fruit has more, oranges or cherries? Cherries, very good. Grapefruit and peaches. Were there more grapefruits or more peaches on the dish and in the graph? Peaches, that's right. Excellent job, friends. Turn the page. Let's keep working with some picture graphs. This time we're going to take a look at flowers. So get 2 colors that you like. Let's circle the daisies and the tulips, okay? Let's see here. I see daisies are first. 1, sort the daisies. 2, 3, 4. So how many daisies will I circle in this graph? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Let's take a look at the tulips. Let's sort them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many will I circle in the graph? 5. All 5. Wow, look at that. Excellent. Which group has more, daisies or tulips? Tulips. Tulips are more by 1. If we had 1 more daisy, they would be equal, right? That's right. All right, let's get 2 different colors for the trees. I think I'm going to get green and brown. Okay, friends, let's sort. I see pine trees and maybe these are oak trees. Let's circle the pine trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many will I circle in the graph? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's see how many oak trees we have. 1, 2. How many will I circle on my graph? 2. 1, 2. What do I have more of? Pine trees or oak trees? There are more pine trees. Very good. Oh my goodness. This time we have to find 3 different types of garden produce. Corn, tomatoes, and carrots. Corn, yellow. Tomatoes, red, and carrots, orange. Oh, we're sorting by 3 this time. Okay, let's circle the corn with yellow. 1, 2, 3. 3 corns on the cob. 1, 2, 3 on the graph. How many tomatoes do we see? 1, 2. So how many will I circle on the graph? 2. Good job, friends. Now how many carrots can we find? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many will I circle on the graph? 4. Okay, on this farm, we had the most of carrots growing on the farm. Good job. Thank you, friends, for helping me use graphs to sort and count and compare. See you next time. Bye-bye.